Hi, I'm Jim. I'm the creator of SketchScript. This is a really quick demo to show you how it works and to explain why I created it. I'm a visual learner, and like many of you, I sit in lots of meetings, and afterwards transcriptions come through. Transcriptions are great, but they tend to be walls of text. Sometimes you get some cool actions that come out of that and things you've got to do. But we have sketchnotes. Sketchnotes are a really cool way to capture ideas and display ideas and have them communicated about 6 times faster than reading through text, especially after you've gotten out of a 3-hour meeting about stuff and you'd rather just go have a cup of coffee. So the way this works, you fire up the app, you put in your transcript, and you wait about 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 2 minutes for it to process your transcript, ask you about styles, and then give you a sketch note. And I thought, well, I'll show you how it works because I'd really like you guys to update this thing on Product Hunt and help it get seen because I think it's a simple thing that does one thing very well and a lot of people could benefit from it. So you can get to it from sketchscript.app and click on Start Free, and it'll take you over to here. And I've already got a couple examples, but we'll do a live one. I've got this 1 hour long transcript from a Alan Watts video, Alan Watts seminar on self-improvement. So this works for YouTube videos. It works for anything where you've got a transcript, meeting notes, lecture notes, that sort of stuff. You can use any of that if you want to. So I don't want to read all this right now, or maybe I do later, or I could look at this visual while I'm listening to the audio. So I'm going to click on New Chat. Hello, I'm SketchScript Pro, and I turn reading transcripts into hand-drawn sketchnote visualizations. Paste it down below. I'll analyze key themes, recommend a layout, and generate a summary. I'm going to hit the old attachment button here, and I'm going to drag in bring in the transcript and give it a few ticks to click through on that and let it process it. While it's doing that, I'm going to stare intently at the camera and then cut. And we're back. So now that that's here, I'm going to click the button to have it go through to the next bit. It's going to have a read through the transcript. It's going to analyze it, look for themes, give me some ideas on what it wants to do. Okay, comes back with the title, Witnessing the Self Beyond Improvement. It's a lecture. Here's a bunch of stuff about it. And if I want to go through and read all this stuff right now, I can. But I'd like just to show you what it looks like out of the box. Are you ready to generate your sketch note? I can adjust the title, layout, or emphasis, but hey, let's go for it. Or go fought it, or go for it. Hit return. And let's see what it does. Shouldn't take too long. And here it comes. Witnessing the Self Beyond Improvement. Watcher and watched. Who watches the watcher? Drop the labels and action items because right now it's set up for meetings, but we can adjust that later on. And that's it. There's my sketch note. I can download it. I can share it with my team of other people who want to know about Alan Watts or other things. And that's it. That's the product. It's simple. Sketchscript.app. It's awesome. You're awesome for watching this. You're even awesomer for upvoting this, and you're like the most awesome if you become a customer. So, thanks very much, Product Hunt. Bye.